What's up guys, I am Cubing Beast and today in this video I am going to unbox my Cubelelo Classic Lube. Let's just cut the tape open. This side. So yeah, opening the box, inside we get a foam protections. Inside it we have a Cubelelo stand, a Cube Care guide and the lube box. These three things, the Cubelelo stand which I am opening right now. So yeah, it's of blue color and it's the Cubelelo stand, and then we have the Cube Care guide and then the lube itself. The packaging of the lube. Yeah, this is a very premium kind of looking box. So this is the classic which has 3 viscosity and it is of 5 ml, and at the back side it's written viscosity as medium, application core and pieces, and result will be smooth and stable. The MRP written here is $6.99, but I will tell you on later in this video the price in which I brought it. In the box of the lube we get a flap to, I think, yeah, just stretch it out, and then inside the lube we get a guide. I hope you can read here. So yeah, not needed. So we get the lube syringe itself and then green tip. I just cleaned my RS stream, so we just unscrew the tip and then insert the green one and screw it properly, and then we take out any one edge and one corner, and then we put some on the tracks and some amount of lube on the pieces. I think that should be fine. So this is done, and then we take the corner and just lube the tracks first, and then this pieces plastic, and then we just oh no, I got it in my hands, so just I will wipe it, and oh no. So yeah, I will just go and wash my hands and come back. Breaking the lube in and cleaning the cube. The cube feels very smooth but not that stable, but it's okay. You can hear the sound. So yeah, the cube is much faster and smoother now. I thought that it will make it gummy or stable, but it did not make it very gummy or stable. It is quite stable, it's good, but not that stable. So yeah. Thanks for watching this video.